Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. Look what I got in today. I got a brand new set of hands from GlamerLiz. Now you might have seen this hand in pictures on my Instagram or Facebook page. I didn't actually do an unboxing when I got this hand and I wished I would have, but now that I bought a set, I am just going to open the box and take you along with me. I'm actually super excited. We're just jumping right into this, aren't we? Here we go. Look how beautifully packaged this is. I'm so excited. So, I'm just going to show you what I'm finding in here. GlamerLiz.com. This is where you can buy the hands. She has put instructions so we know how to look after our hands. Liz, this is really nicely done. Wow. And a card. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to open this in private. And, oh, and a set of nails. And, oh my gosh, look, I've got butterflies. Handmade with love. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take a breath. There's so much I want to say, but let's just oh my gosh, and this is the exact color I was hoping it would be. It is so hard to tell by pictures if it's the color that you want. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's almost the same tone as my hand. It's a little lighter, a little bit cooler toned. And she's put her logo on here. Oh my gosh. Now, okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm just like, you know, like a little kid at Christmas time. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at, oh, I've got to show you this, you guys. Look at the detail. Now, Liz hand paints these herself. This is her hand that she puts in a mold I believe each and every order, because she says that the detail comes out better when she does a brand new mold for each order. Like, look at that. Beautiful. This was the first hand that I bought. I wanted a set of hands, and when I purchased this hand, I thought, okay, I'll just get one hand, see how it is. I know there's some out there on the market. I don't know why I was so intrigued, but I was. Just her Instagram, her website that was brand new when I ordered this. Actually, I was waiting for her website to go online. I think it was like 3 or 4 days. I was so excited to order one of these. So as soon as she put a notice on her Instagram that her website was live, ordered right away. I knew I wanted one. It was the weirdest feeling. I just knew I wanted one. So no two hands are the same. And like, this is her hand, both of them. I really like how we have the wrist in this one. And I just noticed this. Look at this. Like, it is so detailed you can see veins. And I got rings. Thank you, Liz, for putting rings on this hand. Wow. Okay, let's get this other one in here. I'm just gonna say this right off the bat. Please don't say how creepy. These are, I don't know, in my opinion, they are someone's hand. I know that Liz puts a lot of hard work and effort into creating these and making them as realistic as possible. And I think if I was on the other side of those comments, and I have seen them in groups, I wouldn't like to hear someone say, oh man, that hand, being my hand, is creepy looking. Like, I understand what these commenters are referring to, but please don't, they're not creepy. They are just so realistic. I really, really love the tone of this set of hands. Now, this is the Elsa, I believe I got, and my first one was Liz. There's something else I want to show you. So these nails just pop right off. And I think what really interested me in these silicone hands, as opposed to a couple of others that I know are out there, is, oh, look at that, that is so cool. Liz puts a canal right in the cuticle. So you can put your nail, if you don't want to glue your nail. I do glue my nails on with Gorilla Glue, as Liz suggests, because I file. And the whole point of getting a silicone hand is I want to practice forming and doing my shapes. So a lot of filing is needed. So I'm just sort of squeezing a little bit right here, and I'm pushing this all the way in. And I believe that, like, the canal is all the way down here. So the more you push it in, the shorter the nail is going to be. But wow, just so incredibly real. I cannot get over these, and I'm loving the color of these. Oh, I don't know, I'm thinking, should I do it? Do you kind of know what I'm thinking of wanting to do? No, I better not. So these will sit, let me just move the box, and then place this one on top, and you can get in there and get a full set of hands. A full set of hands? Get a full set of nails in a picture. Oh my gosh. I don't know why I'm surprised. I'm surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm excited. I'm happy. I'm wow. Yes, I definitely like this tone. So this is the warm tone, the fair warm tone, which is the Liz. And this is the fair cool tone, which is Elsa. This looks so much more realistic, this tone. Wow. I really like that Liz has extended the hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am just, oh, this is a really pretty ring. The whole video. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. So that's the hands. I don't know what else to say about the hand itself. I do want to show you Liz's website. Let's just do that. Okay, so here's her website. She's got everything that you need to know, I think, is on here. And having a website myself, I know that I'm tweaking it. I've had mine for 4 years and I still tweak it and update it. So when she first started, she had the 3 hands. She had Liz, Naomi, and Beyonce. And then she also has just the half hands. And then she came out with Elsa. So I mean, from the picture, actually you're seeing the picture probably the way I'm seeing it. I was hoping that the hand would look exactly the way it does, because it's so hard to tell in a picture depending on lighting and what have you. Oh, I didn't see this. Now with more wrist. Okay, Carrie, like maybe you could read. And she's got a demonstration video, so she shows you how to use it. Just click on that. And you don't need to be a certified nail tech to buy these, and these are the hands, and she's got feet too, or toes rather. So The demonstration video will link you right to her YouTube page, which is Lizzie Tanner, and she explains everything really well. So yeah, there you have it. There you go. That is my reveal of the GlamerLiz Elsa hand. What drew me to this was how realistic the hands look. These knuckles look real. The detail of the coloring is just wow. The veins that are on the hand, because you know we all have them. I might have to put some sunspots on here. Where's that age spots? And the fact that there's a canal where you can put the nails right in underneath the cuticle, that I really liked. So I want to say that I'm a return customer because this is the second order I've placed with GlamerLiz. So there you go. I think that's all I need to babble about. Again, as always, if you have any questions, please comment down below. If I don't have the answers, I will search for the answers for you. I will leave Lizzie's information in the description box as well, so you can contact her, as well as her website. There's a contact tab on her webpage, and that is it. So I hope this video helped if you were looking at a silicone hand. I don't have any other hands to compare this brand to, but the customer service was excellent. The shipping was, I mean, coming from the States to where I am in Western Canada in BC, and the fact that she had to make them under 2 weeks, I think it took to get to me. I don't even think it was 2 weeks. It might have been, but if it was, it went by really, really fast. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Elite Nails by Carrie, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.